Give me 3 minutes, and I'll help you structure 25 perfect sentences. Stop translating in your head. Listen and repeat after me.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. This means you are going now. I'm a bit tired. I'm a bit tired. A bit means a little. I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try. This means you will attempt something. That sounds good. That sounds good. This means you like the idea. I totally agree. I totally agree. Totally means completely. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. This means it was a surprise. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. This means the answer can change. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. This means you are joking. No worries. No worries. This means everything is okay. I get your point. I get your point. This means you understand the idea. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. This means you have doubt. That's a good question. That's a good question. Used when something is interesting. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. This means you understand clearly. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. This means do not complicate things. I'll think about it later. I'll think about it later. This means you decide in the future. It's up to you. It's up to you. This means the decision is yours. I'm kind of busy. I'm kind of busy. Kind of means a little. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. This means you will inform later. That's interesting. That's interesting. Used when something catches attention. I didn't notice that. I didn't notice that. This means you did not realize it. I'm getting better at this. I'm getting better at this. This means improving with practice. I need more practice. I need more practice. This means repetition is needed. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. Confident means sure of yourself. It's easier than before. It's easier than before. This compares past and present. I'm learning every day. I'm learning every day. This shows constant progress.